everybody, welcome to this video. This is the first one. So these videos are made for helping you create your videos for Project Showcase, but you could also use these just as tutorials for making any videos, to be quite honest with you. I'm going to be showing you the bare bones basics. It's going to be multiple videos. It's not going to be just this one. So they're going to be little short videos on specific things. All right. Right now you can see my entire screen. I did this so you can kind of see what I work with when I do something like this. So here you've got iMovie. This is what the main movie editing software we use in school, although we do have access to Adobe Premiere as well. And if you have your own editing software, feel free to use it. Over here I have my Finder. If you have an Apple computer, your Finder is this little smiley face. You can't see it actually, but it's where all the files are. So your downloads are, your desktop stuff, the documents you save in your computer are all in the Finder. And then this is my notes for what I'm going to be making for you guys. So I'm going to be making videos on all these different things. I'm starting with interface and uploading media. So this will be really quick. All right. So first, when iMovie is open, first thing you do is go to Create New, right up here in the top left. When you click on this, it'll give you a choice: movie or trailer. We're going to be doing movie. Trailer is, they kind of give you a set format and you plug in the footage that you have. Movie, you control everything. So we're going to go movie. Excuse me. Hopefully this doesn't delay too long. Let's go. Okay, so first let's talk about the interface. When I say interface, it's just like how you interact with the software and with the program. All right, so we'll do it in chunks. So up here, this little section here, it's kind of like the menu for your media. You can close it down by clicking this, but I never do that. I always have it open. Okay, so this is like this one would be the media for this current movie that you're making. And if you click down here, you can see like other things that have been used in previous movies that have been made on iMovie on whatever computer you're on. So you can take things from there if you like. So like if I wanted to take this logo, I could take it from here if I wanted, even though it's not in my movie main media. Okay, so there's your media menu. This spot here is where your media is going to be. Okay, I'll show you how to put some in there in just 1 second. So this is where your media is going to be. This over here is your preview. This is where you can see the moves you're making or preview a clip that's over here. And then down here is where you're making all your edits. You basically click and drag the media down that you want to use into this interface, and then you can you can cut some things short. You can make slow motion, fast motion, add filters, transitions, fade to blacks, all that stuff, which will be in future videos. Okay. All right. So real quick, let me show you how to upload media. That's the second part. I've just explained the interface to you. I'll talk more about the interface as we get into more details on like how these work up here and how these work here. But mainly, you just need to know media, preview, editing bay. Okay. Now to upload media, there's a couple different ways. First way is click on one of these arrows right here. Doesn't matter which one, they do the same thing. So if I click here, a window's going to pop open. There you go. As you can see, here's your menu of where things are coming from. Media, that's a memory card that I have in the computer right now. And then desktop will be anything I have that's saved on the desktop. Those are the two places I put things. I don't try to put things anywhere else because they're easy to get lost. So as long as your work that you're going to be editing is in its own memory card that is in the computer or it's saved on your desktop, this is where you find it. So you just pick a clip, whatever, and then hit import selected, and it's imported into your media bay. The other way to do it is just to have your Finder open next to you, and you can click and drag. So I'm just going to click these three things, drag them over. There they go. All right. So there's two ways to upload media. And there you go. So that's our first video. I showed you the interface, and I explained what these areas of the interface are doing, and I showed you how to upload media into the media bay. All right. The next video I'm going to talk about how we edit these together, make some cuts, things like that. All right. So see you in the next video.